Hello friends, I am Arush and welcome to my channel Shiv Kids Education, and today we are going to be learning 5 class 5 maths multiplication word problems. So let's start. Okay, so question 1. A city bus can seat 65 passengers. There are a total of 10 buses in a town. If on Monday 8 buses are full and in the ninth one there are 6 seats empty and the 10th one is fully empty, how many passengers are there in total on all the buses? B. How many passengers would be there if all the buses were full? And C. If there were 1,000 people in the town, then how much percentage would there be of passengers from scenario A and the total number of people in the town? Okay, so I'm going to start step by step. So I'm going to start with A. Okay, so here what it is saying in A. Okay, a city bus can seat 65 passengers. There are a total of 10 buses in a town. If on Monday 8 buses are full and the ninth one there are 6 seats empty and the 10th one is fully empty, then how many passengers are there in total on all the buses? Okay, so I'm going to start with the first line. A city bus can seat 65 passengers. Okay, so what it is saying that one bus can seat 65 passengers. Okay, so one bus can seat 65 passengers. There are a total of 10 buses in a town. So total number of buses is 10. So there are 10 total buses in town. Alright, so 8 buses are full. 8 buses are full. That means they have all 65 passengers. And in ninth one, it has 6 seats empty. That means 65. That the total number of passengers minus 6. And the 10th one, well, no passengers, because it is saying the 10th one is fully empty, so there are no passengers. And now the question is, how many are there in total, like all the passengers in total which are boarded onto the buses? Alright, so let's start with working out how many there would be in the 8 full buses, because we know that in the 8 buses they are full. So just going to rub everything. Okay. Alright. So what we were doing how many there are. There are 8 full buses and one bus can seat 65 passengers. Okay. So one bus 65 passengers, 8 bus is going to be equal to 65 multiplied by 8, because there are 8 buses and 65 passengers. So let's do the calculation. Okay, 65 multiplied by 8, 0, 4. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 4 is going to be equal to 52. So we have 520 passengers on 8 full buses. Okay, 520 passengers on 8 full buses. Now it is saying in the ninth one there are 6 seats empty. What did I say? I said that in the ninth one it would be 65 minus 6. Why? There are 6 seats empty. That means there are 6 less people on the bus. Okay, so 65 minus 6, that's going to be 9, that's equal to 5. Okay, so we have 59 on the ninth one. Alright, so 520 on 8 full buses and 59 on the ninth one, which has 6 less people. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 520 plus 59. Why? This is the one on the 9th bus and this is all 8. Add them together, 9, 7 and 5. So my answer will be 579. So that is our answer. So I'm just going to round it all up right now. What I did. So I only did, if I got the information, one bus is 65 passengers. If I want to work out the how many passengers there are on 8 full buses, all I need to do is 65 multiplied by 8. That means the passengers of one bus multiply 8. Then I got the answer 520. Now it's saying that on the 9th one, there are 6 seats empty. So what do I need to do? 65 minus 6. And what did I get? I got 59. So 65 minus 6, 59. So that is the number of passengers on the 9th bus. Okay? So I just added them together to get the total of the 8th and the 9th one. Okay, so I got the total 579. Now you may ask, well, what about the 10th one? There are 10 full buses, right? 10 full buses, right? Then why didn't I pay attention to the 10th one? Well, it's clearly saying in the 10th one that it is fully empty. That there are basically no passengers on that bus. So there is no need to do any calculation on the 10th one. Okay, so I hope you understood everything I did on question A. Okay, because now I'm going to move on to question B. By the way, you will find all the answers of question A, B and C after question 1. Alright, so let's go up to question B. Okay, so B. Now let's look at the question. It is asking how many passengers would there be if all the buses were full. Wait, it is saying that if all the buses were full. Okay, so we know that one bus is equal to 65 passengers and there are a total of 10 buses. So there is a total of 10 buses. So if there's a total of 10 buses and one bus is equal to 65 passengers, and it is asking what if all the buses were full. That means all the buses had 65 passengers, then how many people would there be in total? Well, that's easy. All I need to do is going to do 65, which is the number of passengers of one bus, into 10, which is the number of buses. Okay, so I hope you understood what I did here. So what are we going to have? We are going to have 650. So that is our answer. Yes, that's it. 650. Okay, so although this was very easy to understand, I'm still going to just round it up how I got this answer. So one bus is equal to 65 passengers. 10 buses, that's the total number of buses. Okay, so one bus is equal to 65 passengers, 10 buses, well, that's the total. All I need to do, if all the buses are full, that means all the buses have 65 passengers, multiply them together and I will get my answer. Okay, so I hope you understood B. Now I'm going to move on to question C. Okay, so C. If there were 1,000 people in the town, so in the town there were 1,000 people, then how much percentage would there be of passengers from scenario A and the total number of people in the town? Okay, so I know this is worded very rubbishly, but I'm still going to, I'll try to tell you in simple words. So all it is saying that like what was the answer from question A? It was 579, right? And it is asking if there were 1,000 total people in the town, if there were 1,000 total people in the town, then what percentage is 579 of that 1,000? So how do we find percentage? Very easy. Well, first what I'm going to do 579 divided by 1000. Well, I'm going to convert into fraction because that is going to be 579 out of 1000. Okay, so 579 out of 1000, so I can write it in that, which is a fraction form. Now I need to convert that into a decimal. How am I going to do that? Well, I'm just going to do the calculation. What is this? It is 579 divided by 1000. Okay, so how do I do that? Well, I know this might be like for class 2, but still I'm going to try to explain it very simply. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm going to put place value on this. So 5, 7 and 9. What's the place value? Hundreds, tens and ones. 9 is in ones, 7 is in tens, 5 is in hundreds. Okay, make the enter table. Now what is after ones? Well, first is decimal point. So this is going to be the decimal point. And after that it is tenths, which is going to be lower t, hundreds, lower h, and thousands, which is lower t and h. Okay, so thousands, hundreds, and tenths, ones, tens, and hundreds. I hope you understood the difference between the pronunciation. Okay, so anyways, first, the easy way to do it, well, just count the number of zeros. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, and 3 in 1000. The number that I'm dividing by. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move it to the right 3 times. So the very easy thing to do is just 1, 2, and 3 on the first digit. I'm not going to do anything to the decimal point because that's just there to put in after 0, which is after ones. Anyways, I'm going to move 5, 1, 2, and 3 from hundreds, tens, ones, and then finally to tenths. So 5 will come into the tenths, and the rest of the numbers will just follow. So 579, 579. Very easy. But what about this empty space here? Because there's nothing here. There's nothing left here. Very easy. 0.579. You may see 0.579, but normally we write it as 0. We put in the 0 because it is a placeholder. Okay, so right now we have our answer 0.579. But, well, that is still a decimal. This is not a percentage. Well, percent means out of 100. Cent means 100. Well, if it's out of 100, all we need to do is do 0.579 multiplied by 100. That's it. If you want to convert a decimal into a percentage, just multiply by 100. Okay? So again, I'm going to move it 2 places, 1 and 2. Into the tens, 5, 7 and 9. 7 and 9 will follow. But 9 will be after the decimal point because 7 is only going to fit into ones. So tens, ones, and tens. So what do we have our answer? 57.9%. So 57.9% is our answer. Again, I'm just going to round everything up. Okay. So what I did, there were 1,000 people in the town. Okay. 579 people were there in scenario A. Then what percentage was this of this? Now I found the fraction, then I found the decimal, then I converted it into percentage. Okay, then I converted it into percentage by multiplying by 100 from the decimal. Okay, decimal multiplied by 100 is going to equal to percentage. So I hope you understood about C. Now I'm going to show you the answers of A, B, and C. Okay, so what was the answer to A? 1 minute, I'll just rub this. What was the answer to A? 579. B, it was 650. And C, it was 57.9%. So I hope you understood. What I did in question 1. Okay, so now we've only finished question 1. Now we need to go straight up to question 2. So let's go. Question 2. A. I bought 20 packets of 3 different types of biscuits. The types are chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. Packet of chocolate costs 24 rupees. Vanilla costs 20 rupees and strawberry costs 50 rupees. If I bought 10 packets of chocolate, 5 packets of vanilla and 5 packets of strawberry, then how much do I have to pay? And in B, if I give the shopkeeper 1000 rupees, how much do I have in change? Okay, so let's start with question A. Alright, I bought 20 packets of 3 different types of biscuits. The types were chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. A packet of chocolate cost 24 rupees, vanilla cost 20 rupees and strawberry cost 50 rupees. If I bought 10 packets of chocolate, 5 packets of vanilla and 5 packets of strawberry, then how much do I have to pay? Okay, so what I'm saying, I bought a total of 20 packets of 3 types of biscuits. Okay, so I bought 20 packets of 3 types of biscuits. They were chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. So one packet of chocolate costs 24 rupees. Okay, so chocolate costs 24 rupees. And one packet of vanilla, so vanilla costs 20 rupees. And strawberry costs 50 rupees. Okay, so if that is the amount, if I bought 10 packets of chocolate, okay, 5 packets of vanilla and 5 packets of strawberry, then how much do I have to pay? That's basically the total amount of money. Total amount of money that I have to pay. Okay, the total amount of money that I have to pay. So first let's do the calculation. So if a packet of chocolate costs 24 rupees, and if I bought 10 packets, 24 multiplied by 10, 240. Okay, one packet of vanilla costs 20 rupees, 5 packets, 20 multiplied by 5 is going to equal to 100. And then one packet of strawberry costs 50 rupees, and I bought 5 of that. 50 rupees multiplied by 5 is going to equal to 250. Okay, so if I add them up, 240, 250 and 100, I'll get 590. So 590 is my answer. I'm going to tell you again. I bought 20 packets of 3 different types, chocolate, vanilla and strawberry. One packet of chocolate cost 24, one packet of vanilla cost 20 and one packet of strawberry cost 50. If I bought 10 packets of chocolate, 5 packets of vanilla and 5 packets of strawberry, what did I get? So I multiplied the amount by the number, and I got the answers, and then I just added them up to get the final answer. So I hope you understood. Okay, so if you have understood A, then I'm going to move straight on to B. Okay, so if I give the shopkeeper 1000 rupees, what do we get first? 590 rupees. So that is my total amount. Then how much do I have in change? Change is the amount that I have left over. Suppose I don't have 500 or 20 or 10 rupee in my pocket, but I do have a 1000 rupee note in my pocket. Then all I need to do, I'm going to give the shopkeeper the note of 1000 rupees, and he's going to give me back the amount, well, basically the amount I gave, subtract the amount I had to give. So now I gave more because I only have a 1000 rupee in my pocket, and the real cost was 590. So what it is going to be, it's going to be 1000 minus 590. So I'm going to do the calculation. 1000 minus 590. Well, it's pretty easy. All I need to do, well, I'm going to show you the quick way, not this way. 590, move it to the nearest 100. Alright, 600. What do I have to add? I have to add 10. Okay, so I have to add 10. So now that I've added 10, I just going to put that to the side, and I'm going to do 600 multiplied by what, add what, is going to equal to 1000, which is my answer. So that's going to be 400. Now just 400, add 10, and we'll get the answer, which is going to equal to 410. So that is my answer. So 410 is the amount I get in change. So I hope you have already learned change, but if not, I'm just going to tell you. Well, I've already told, but I'm going to tell you again. Change is basically if there's something that's 10 rupees, and I give 20 rupees for that because I only have a 20 rupee note in my pocket, then I will get 10 rupees exchange because I gave 20 rupees and I did not have to give that much. Of course, I can't go like, oh, look, there's a 10 rupee thing and I'll give 5 rupees, so I'll get a change of 5 rupees. No, because that will be minus 5 rupees. Why? Because 10 to 5 was 10 to 5, it's minus 5. So 10 plus minus 5 is equal to 5. So yes, I'll have to give like 10 full rupees for that. But anyways, I hope you understood B. I'm going to round it up again. I gave the shopkeeper 1000 rupees and I got the change of 1000 minus 590 because I only had to give 590, but I gave 1000 instead, so I need to get the change of 1000. Okay, so if you have understood, well, if you have understood or not, if you have not understood, then rewind and hopefully you understand. Okay, so here are the answers. A, 600 rupees and B, 410 rupees. So I hope you understood A and B in question 2. Alright, let's now move to question 3. Okay, A, how many days would there be in 24 years if starting year was 2019? Okay, B, how many days would there be in 75 years if starting year was 2020? And C, how many total months would there be in A and B? Okay, so let's start with A. Okay, A. Here what is it asking? It's asking how many days would there be in 24 years if the starting year was 2019. Why have I included 2019? Well, we'll see. First, we need to calculate the amount of days in 24 years. How many days are there in 1 year? 365. That's not counting a leap year. Okay? So what I need to do, 365 multiplied by 24. That's it, and we'll get the answer for half of the question. Okay, so 5 times 4, 0, 2, that's 24. That's going to be 6, 2, 12, and that's 14. Okay, and then 0, 0, 1, that's 10, so that would be 0, 0, 1, so that's 10, so 6 multiplied by 2 is going to equal to 12, so that's going to be 13. 3, 1, 3 multiplied by 2 is going to be 6, 6 plus 1 is going to equal to 7. Add them up, 0, 6, 7, 8. What did I get? 8, 7, 6, 0. Okay, so I got 8, 7, 6, 0 as my answer. But this is not my answer. Why? Well, as I said, I did not include a leap year. How many days are there in a leap year? There are 366. Why? In February, there is normally 28. But in a leap year, there is 29. So because of that, we have to add on 1 day. Then here is the easy part. If there are 24 years and the starting is 2019, so we know that 2019 is not a leap year. Why? Because it's not divisible by 4. How do we know it's not a leap year is divisible by 4? Well, a leap year is because it is divisible by 4 because a leap year comes every 4 years. So a leap year comes every 4 years. That's why we know that it's divisible by 4. So 2019 is not divisible by 4. Well, what about 20? 2020? Alright, that's one leap year. 2020. I'm just going to keep on adding until I'll get up to 6. That means 6. Okay, so that's 2024 up to 2044. Okay, so how many would that be? That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I need to cut off 2044. So that will be 6. Well, that's 24 years. That's good, but we still have 2019, so that's only a cut to 23. Okay, so that's a full of 24 years, but I need 23. That means I'm also going to cut out 2040. So how many do I have to add? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I need to add 5 onto that. Okay, so I hope you understood it. I'm just going to round it up. 1 year is 365. I multiplied that by 24. And what did I get? I got 8760. Okay, but we also needed to count the leap years. The leap years. That's why what did I do? I counted all the leap years. And I got 5 more days, which I had to add, because I need the exact number. So this is going to be my answer, because I just did this added by 5 and I got my answer. So I hope you understood. Now I'm going to move straight on to B. Okay, so how many days would there be in 75 years if the starting year is 2020? Okay, so all I did, I just tripled it, but I also have to do a little bit more calculation. Okay, 365 multiplied by 75, 5, 2, 6 multiplied by 5 is 30, 32, so 2 and 3, 15 plus 3 is going to be 18, 0, 5, 3, okay, 365 this is, so 6 multiplied by 7, 42, 42 multiplied by 3, 5, 4, 3 multiplied by 7, 21, 21, all the way plus 4 is going to equal to 25, so 5 and 2, 5, 7, 3, and I hope this is 1. Well, just 5, 2, 2, 3, and yeah, it's 1. So this is 1. So I'm gonna add 1 onto that. So 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 8 plus 5, 3, 1, and then I'm gonna add that. So that's gonna be 7, 2. So what did I get? I got 2, 7, 3. I got 2, 7, 3. 7, 5. Okay, so I got 2, 7, 3, 7, 5. Alright, but I need to do the leap years. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so I don't need any of this. So that's going to be 9, that's going to be 72. Alright, so 52, which is going to equal to 9. Okay. Well, anyways, 9 multiplied by, well, that is going to equal to 72. So I'm going to add on, now I'm going to add on 9. So 9, 5 plus, well, 9 is going to equal to 4, 1, 7, well, that's going to equal to 8, 3, 7, and 2. So this is my answer. Sorry, I'm writing a bit, well, tilted. 2, 7, 3, 8, 4. This is going to be my answer. How did I do this? Well, I just took the amount in 1 year, 365, multiply by this 75, and then adding on leap year. Okay, so I just did everything and I got, what did I get? 2, 7, 3, 8, 4. So I hope you understood. I'm going to now move on to C. Alright, well, see, how many total months would there be in A and B? What did we do? We did days. Right now, we did days. Now what it is asking? It is asking months. It's asking how many months are there. Days we have done. What about months? And also it's asking in total. Well, it's not asked in the question, but what it means is asking how many months are there in total. That means A months and plus the B months. So we got 75 and 24. Now we need to change that into months. Okay, So 1 year is equal to 52 months. Well, sorry, 52 weeks is equal to 12 months. So if I'm going to divide this by 24 and then divide this by 12, that means 24 multiplied by 12, I'm gonna have 288. So I need to do 24 multiplied by 12. Why? Because I first need to get it to 1 year. Okay, so that's going to be divided by 24. And then divide that into months, which is going to equal to 12. So I'm dividing it 2 times. That means I just need to divide it like this. So that's it. 24 multiplied by 12, 288. 288 is my answer for this. What about this? 75. Well, all I need to do in that, okay, 75, I'm going to divide by 75 multiplied by 12. 0, 1, 7 multiplied by 12, 14, 5, 1, 0, 5, 7, 8, well, that's 900. So 900 plus 288, what do we get? We got 8, 8, and 11. So what is my answer? 1188. That is my answer. Why is this the answer? This is the amount of months in both A and B. How did I do that? Okay, I'm going to round up. I took the amount of years, I divided that by, well, I just divided the amount by itself, and then I multiplied that amount by 12 because that's the number of months in 1 year. That's the amount of months in 1 year. I just multiplied this to 12, and then I got the answer. Then I added both of them, and I got my total answer. So I hope you understood C. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the answers of A, B, and C in question 3. Okay, what was the answer to A? 8765. What was the answer to B? It was 27384. And C, well, we did 188. So I hope you again understood all that I've told you in these 3 questions. So now I'm going to move on to second last question, question 4. A. A truck contains 1,088 boxes, each weighing 35 kilograms. 7 cars with the weight of 500 kilograms each, and 10 sofas weighing 20 kilograms each. What is the total weight? B. If there were 200 boxes, 17 cars, and 25 sofas, then what is the total weight? And C. What if there are 5 trucks containing the same amount of weight as A? Then what is the total weight of all the trucks? Okay, so I'm going to start with A. So all it's saying, a truck contains 1,088 boxes, each weighing 35 kilograms. And there's 7 cars, each weighing 500 kilograms, and there are 10 sofas, each weighing 20 kilograms. Okay, so first let's do the boxes. 1,088 boxes, each weighing 35 kilograms. So 1088 multiplied by 35. Sorry, that's a drop is 3. Alright. So multiply by 35, 0, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5. Lots of 4. 0, 4, 2, 6, 2, 2, 3. Okay, so 0, 4, 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 3. What's that? 3, 7, 4, 4, 0. 3, 7, 4, 4, 0. Okay, so that is my answer. Well, for the boxes at least. Well, then what about the cars? Okay, 7 multiplied by 500. That's easy, that's 3,500. Basically, if you say, like we know, it's like 3,500, but it's very easy to say, like, if that's 500, then just say 3,500 if it's a 2-digit. Well, we'll multiply by 7. 7 multiplied by 5 should be 35. Do that 100 times, and, well, you get the answer, if you understood. So, that's going to be 3,500. So, 3,500, that's the amount of cars, the weight of the cars. And what about the 10 sofas? So, that's going to be 10 multiplied by 20. What is it? 200. So, that is the amount. Well, what have we got? We've got 37440, 3500, and 200. 0, 4, that's going to equal to 9, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4. So 4, what did I get? 41140. That's my answer. What did I do? I just calculated the number by the weight, and I just added all the calculations, and I got my answer. Ta-da! Okay, so I hope you understood it. Now on to B. There are 200 boxes, 17 cars, 25 sofas. Then what is the weight? What were boxes? Boxes were 35. Cars were 500. And sofas were 20. So using this, that's 35. Using this, I'm gonna finish this calculation. So 200 multiplied by 35. Alright, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0. Well, I don't need to do anything else. So that's going to equal to 7,000. So 7,000 is my answer for boxes. Okay? And what about cars? That's going to be 17 multiplied by 500. I'm going to do that the other way around. 500 multiplied by 17. 500 multiplied by 17. Okay, so 0, 0, 5, 3, 0, 0, 0, 5. That's going to be 8500. So this is my answer for the cars, and this is my answer for the boxes. And what about the sofas? Okay, so what was it? That was 25 multiplied by, what was it? 20 kilograms. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and that's going to be 5. So 500. Ta-da! So 500 is my answer for the sofas. Okay, so now all I need to do is going to be equal to 500 plus, what was it, 7,000 for boxes, and then plus, how many was it for cars? That was 8,500. 8,500 for cars. So 0, 0, 0, 1, and then 6, 1. So 16,000 is my answer. Whew, 16,000 is my answer. Okay, so I'm again just going to round it up. What I did, I took this and I used the weight, so that was in kilograms. In kilograms, it was the weight. So what I did, I again just multiplied the number by the weight, and I just added up all of that to get my answer. So I hope you understood B. Now we're on to C. So what if there are 5 trucks containing the same amount of weight as A? Then what is the weight? Then what was the weight? That was the answer to A? The answer was 37440. That is the answer to A. So 37440 kilograms was the answer to A. Now all I need to do multiply by 5. 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 7, 3, and then that's going to be 8, 1. Then what is the answer? 187200. That is my answer. I think this was the easiest question out of, well, every single question. Well, we've seen number 5, but until now this was probably the easiest question, because all I need to do, I just need to take the answer from what I did before. I just need to multiply it by 5. That's it. Okay, so I hope you understood C. Well, it was very easy, so you should have understood. If not, we'll just then rewind. So here are the answers of A, B, and C. A was 37440, B was 16000, and C was 187,200. So I hope you understood everything. Now let's move on to the last question. 5. A. How many people can 25 buses and 250 minivans fit if a bus can hold 43 people and a minivan can hold 17 people? B. If there are 250 buses and 25 minivans, then what? And C. If the amount of people in scenario A paid 750 rupees for one ticket, then how much did the buses and minivans earn in total? Alright, so question A. How many people can 25 buses and 250 minivans fit if a bus can hold 43 people and a minivan can hold 17 people? Alright, so let's start with the start. 25 buses and one bus can fit 43. Simple. 25 multiplied by 43. 517002, and that's going to be 8, so that's going to be 1075. That is my answer. Alright, so 250 minivans. One minivan can hold 17 people. Multiply that together. 053 14, so 14 multiplied by 3 is or 14 add 3 is going to equal to 17. 0 0 and then 5 2. 0 5 2 1 4. Let me just check. So that's correct. 0 0 5 2. Okay. So my answer is 4250 and 1075. Okay, add them together. 1075 add 4250 52135 5325. That is our answer. Now I went to this pretty quickly. So all I did 25 buses. Okay, 25 buses. One bus can fit 43 people. Very good. 25 multiplied by 43. This is the passengers. This is the number. 25 multiplied by 43. What did I get? I got 1075. Okay, 1075. Now 1075. Add the number I got from the minivan. 250 minivans. 17 passengers. Multiply them together. 4250. And I just add them together. Add them together, I got my answer. So I hope you understood question A. Now I'm going to move straight on to question B. If there are 250 buses and 25 minivans, then what? Okay, so one bus is equal to 43 people. And one minivan is equal to 17 people. Now it's asking in reverse. What if there are 250 buses? That means 250 multiplied by 43 and 25 multiplied by 17. Okay, so it may seem like it's the same answer, but it is not. Let's see how. 051700002, and that's going to be 10750. Okay, 10750. 50753. That's going to be 14. So 7 1 0 5 2 5 2 1 and 4. 10750 plus 425 118 1111. Okay, 11181. If I'm correct, yes, I'm correct. I hope I'm correct. Well, anyways, let me just check. 24 multiplied by 17. That should be correct. Yes, that's correct. Wait a minute. 5050. Yes, 5 2 1. Hey, I forgot 2 here. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna scrap that. Okay. So right now I'm just gonna add them together again. So what was it? 10750 plus 4225. 118941. So what is our real answer? 14981. That is our answer. Okay, this was actually also very easy. All I need to do, I took this, I multiplied them together. Basically the same thing I did. The same thing I did in 8, but I just need to reverse it. So this is our answer. And also, this is not the same as 5325. Why? Because there were fewer amount of buses and higher amount of minivans. But now there's higher amount of buses and fewer amount of minivans. And a bus can hold more passengers than a minivan. So it can boast less. And there are less minivans, more buses. Well, the answer is going to be more than the first one. Okay, now question C. If you understood question B. Okay, if the amount of people in scenario A, how many there were there in scenario A? 5375. Let me just check. How many? Well, okay, 5325, sorry. Not 5375, 5325. If in scenario A paid 750 rupees for one ticket, if they paid 750 rupees, then how much did the buses and minivans earn in a total? Okay, if they're gonna do that, they're probably gonna earn a lot. Let's see how much. All I need to do, the passengers multiply 750. And look at the answers. That's going to be in rupees though. Okay, 750. Okay. I'm going to write a new one. 5325 multiplied by 750. 0, okay. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5, 2, 2, 1, 7, 0, 1. I'm sorry that I'm going so slow. And then the next one, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then 5 multiplied by 7, 35. 35 is 5. And then 3. 2 multiplied by 7, 14. Oh my god, I'm constantly getting 17. 17, 3 multiplied by 7 is going to go to 21. So 22. And 35 plus 2 is going to equal to 37. 0, 5, 7, 4, 3, 8, 3. 3, 8, 3, 4, 7, 5, 0. Okay, how did I get this answer? Passengers multiply the number. And I did the whole calculation. And I got my answer. I'm going to write it neat here, pretty neatly, well, clearly. 750, and that is my answer. That's 3,834,750. Okay, so I hope you understood. That's our answer of question C. Alright, so here are the answers. A, 5325, B, 14981, and C, 3834750. I hope you understood what I did in this, and this. Okay, so now that we've done everything, let's look at the answers of every single one of them. What was the answer for question 1? 579. B, 650. C, 57.9. Question 2A, 600 rupees. B, 400 rupees. And 3, A, 8766. B, 27393, and C, 1188. And A, 41780, B, 16000, and C was 2089000. Well, 00. That was the answer to question 4. And question 5, which we just did, 5325, 2115, and 640750. So why did I include the answers? Because there may be some people who are following along, and these are the answers of everything. But now I'm going to all give you, just like every school does, some homework. Okay, so what's the homework? If I earn 10,000 rupees for every hour I work, and I work 1 full month of 30 days, 8 hours each day, with a total of 33 hours of overtime work, then how much do I earn in a year? Okay, so I'm going to provide the answer video of class 5 maths addition word problem video. So watch out for that. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and of course, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe Shift Kids Education. Bye, see you in my next video.